Are you struggling with content creation, customer support, or brainstorming ideas for your business? Then why not start using ChatGPT, which can help you save time and work smarter? Welcome to the AI Business Hub, where we give you short, useful tips on how to use AI in your business. If you want to stay ahead with AI, then hit that subscribe button. ChatGPT is an AI-powered assistant that can help businesses with tasks like marketing, customer support, and automation, saving you hours of work. So, if you need help with writing emails, social media posts, or blog content, or want to automate customer responses or ideas for new products, let's start first with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is available on the web, mobile apps, and even integrates with other tools. To get you started, let's start by using some simple examples. Let's first try write a social media post about my new product. See how ChatGPT now asks us for the product idea so it can craft a post for us. Let's pretend we are a jewellery shop and want an idea for a silver necklace. We could have put the description at the start, but I will do it separately here. See how we can build up our post by adding different prompts. Next, we could draft a professional email to a client. If we stay on the page, ChatGPT will continue with the theme so we can see that it has written me an email as if we were the jewellery shop. And finally, what about give me 3 marketing ideas for my business? Yet again, by staying on the same page, ChatGPT continues the theme as the jewellery shop. See how simple that was? Always try using clear prompts, so instead of help me with marketing, try give me 5 Instagram post ideas for my handmade jewellery business. If the answer isn't perfect, ask ChatGPT to adjust the prompt by asking it to make it more casual or add a call to action. Why not try out these simple prompts and see what results you get? And we'll be back with our next video showing how to get better results with ChatGPT for your business. If you need some specific help with ChatGPT tutorials, drop a comment below or hit that subscribe button. Now, before you go, here are several more business-related prompts that you can also try out. They are also below this video, so you can cut and paste them too. See you in the next video.